If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you today. We're going to go over a rope dart technique, and it looks like what I've just done there. So we'll go here, 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 and there, okay? So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. To do, okay, is you're going to need to have the slack upon this hat in this hand, okay? So you're going to go here, 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 then there. Okay, you've got now the slack in your hand, so I'll show you once more. So we'll go here, there, there. So you're basically wrapping it up. So you've got this slack in this hand, yes? First step. Now, second step, what you then need to do, okay, is basically have this going in a clockwise rotation, yes? You're going to learn, yeah, to do this figure 8 motion here. Figure 8 motion going on here, okay? What you're then going to do is when you get on the side towards your back, you are going to pass this rope that you are holding to this hand behind your back. And you're going to turn your body to that direction. Going to do is you're going to take your right foot and you're going to step forward, okay? From there you're going to go into a figure 8 motion here, getting ready to pass it back behind your back, okay? I'm going to show you what's going on from the back. So I'm going to repass this to the hand that I started with, and I'm going to fling the dart forward, yes? So for all in one motion, we go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Once more. So congratulations, you've learned the move. Please do remember to support my channel if you wish to see more content like this. Yes. Please do feel free to leave feedback as well if you like this format of tutorial. Until the next time guys, I'll see you soon.